And if you hadn't noticed, it's raining out. Fuck. If you haven't noticed, it's raining out, so I'm hiding underneath here. Oh, that's a path right there. That's a path right there. Blue trail. It's raining out. It's been raining a lot lately. Well, it's good. We won't be having any fires burning down. We won't be having any fires that are burning everything down. But yeah, so it's raining out, so which is good, and everything's green. I'm happy. Yep.